From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air ruining your sleep and aggravating your allergies? Because I know I was. The Carepod Mini 21P Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier has been a game changer for me and my family. This smart device is designed to bring healthier air into your home, and it's incredibly easy to set up and use. With its effortless cleaning feature, you'll have more time to focus on the things that matter, like spending time with your loved ones. The three washable parts, including the control panel lid, oscillator wand, and rounded corner water tank, make cleaning a breeze, and the transparent tank ensures there are no hidden spots for harmful elements to grow. The Carepod Mini 21P is well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and fallen in love with it, and for good reason. The long-lasting hydration feature provides up to 20 hours of continuous mist, and the adjustable mist levels allow you to customize the output to your liking. You can feel the cool mist on your skin, soothing dryness and irritation, and hear the gentle hum of the device as it works its magic. The smart auto shut-off function is also a huge plus, as it prevents dry run damage and ensures worry-free operation. I've used this humidifier in my nursery, and it's been a lifesaver for my baby's sensitive skin. The cool mist is perfect for relieving dryness and congestion, and the device is so quiet that it doesn't disturb my baby's sleep. Compared to other humidifiers on the market, the Carepod Mini 21P is a standout due to its ease of use, smart features, and efficient performance. If you're looking for a reliable and effective humidifier, I highly recommend giving the Carepod Mini 21P a try. Trust me, your family's health and well-being are worth it, and with this device, you can breathe easy knowing you're providing them with the best. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.